My name is Andre Granger, and I would like to take you along with me on my undergrad competency development journey. The undergrad development competency I chose to work on was initiative, while focusing on actively looking for ways to improve myself or things around me, not being afraid to fail or try new things, and taking risks. To help me work on this undergrad development competency, I created a SMART goal. My SMART goal was to work towards taking the initiative on my soccer team by following a strict training schedule to help increase my goals, assists, passes completed, and interceptions each game as a midfielder by the end of the winter season, while journaling soccer tactics/plays and player stats to ensure an improvement has been made. Before this experience, I was excited to see how much my game would improve as I had only played pickup games and not in a formal league. I thought if I train and document everything, it would automatically make me want to become better every week as I am a competitive person. Having an ENFP personality would help as I am an excellent communicator and have a positive attitude, which is needed in the midfield position. The experience had a little bit of a rough start as my initial SMART goal had to be revised a few times before I received the conditional pass. The conditional pass was based off of how well my 8-week plan would be, which made me work harder to ensure it would be passed. I managed to do well in my first game as I completed all my player stats I set for myself and had no problems training in the second week. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to hit all the goals I set for the different drills in the training sessions. The first initial games I feel I had done better due to not missing any training as I had more time on my hands. As school started to get a little busier, it was hard to train for as long as I needed. The missed training was reflected during the games as I started messing up on the field. Mid-season, I also injured my knee and continued to play through, which made it worse, and had to miss training to ensure I was getting adequate rest. I decided to take the initiative to go to a physiotherapist for the first time and was given stretches and exercises to help my injury. Overall, I believe the whole experience was a positive one as I had the opportunity to build on a competency that I feel I struggle with in other aspects of my life. I figured out what works best for me and what doesn't based off of every single game and training session. For example, not having a morning or night preference based off of the Home Ostberg questionnaire allowed me to be more flexible with my timings and my plan. I also managed to get professional advice on how to get better from a friend who played semi-pro. Despite not having accomplished all my goals in the plan, I still felt I had improved. For example, I managed to score a goal in every game except one. In conclusion, the skills I developed from this experience were communication, risk-taking, and problem-solving. I would apply these skills in the future when it comes to decisions in my life, like applying for jobs or buying a house. Something I would do differently would be focusing on stretching/recovery. Neglecting stretching and recovery affected my performance in-game and could have also aided in avoiding my injury. I also would have played with more confidence. I feel that confidence is very important in trusting yourself with your abilities. Sometimes I could get into my head and be scared to try different tactics in the field, leading me to make the wrong decisions, which could create problems for the team.
Created using Powtoon.